It's not safe for us to stay.
To me, my whole life.
I protected you your whole life.
Does Mama know?
Who's gonna tell him?
My neighbors don't know. They did nothing when they came for us.
She turned?
They don't use tools, man.
Could be infected.
Nice night.
Sir, you're entering a restricted area. Stay where you are.
I don't want to have to shoot you, old man.
You should save your ammunition.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Holy shit! Multiple infected north.
Where'd the guy go? Did he do that? Oh my god. Where did he go? Oh my god. It's like a herd. It is. Oh my god. Shit.
What's going on?
Full on. Close.
What if the things get in there? Oh,
It's time to go.
So, where are we going? What's wrong?
Nick is good. Nick is good. Oh no. Oh, they're getting in. Oh no. Dude, you're dead. Oh my god, that didn't know what just happened. Just cut his head off. As long as Nick lives. I don't want anything to happen to Nick. Please don't let him die. Please God, don't let Nick die. Oh, they're gonna die.
I'm trying.
God, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No! Oh no, 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 no. No, no, no. Oh my god. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No. Oh god. Oh. That son of a gun.
Andy? Hey,
For you.
Andrew. Put the gun down. You don't have to do this, okay? What are you doing? Just put the gun down. Andrew, don't do this. Please, please, please. Andy.
Oh my fucking is she?
Abigail.
What are you doing? Oh no.
Oh, God.
Oh
Yeah.
no.
Didn't notice till we were clear.
Oh, she's screwed.
What do we...
Oh no. No, don't go down there, don't go down there. I didn't cry. I didn't cry. What's happening?
Fear the Walking Dead. The story continues in Flight 462, available now.